What are you drawing now?
The clouds.
How many clouds?
2.
2?
2 clouds.
2 clouds? What color?
Blue.
Blue?
Huh.
How many suns did you draw?
1.
1 what?
1 sun.
1 sun?
Because we have 1 sun.
But how many clouds are in the sky?
2. 1, 2.
Oh, okay. What else are you going to draw?
Something.
You're done? You're done?
Yes.
Can I look? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's beautiful.
I made it.
You made it? Cool. Can I see it again? Tell me what's in the picture.
The water, the fish, me and you, the sun, and the clouds.
Wow. That's cool. What are you doing now?
Making a heart.
You're making a heart? Why?
Because I love my buddy.
You like your buddy? Who's your buddy?
Big girl.
A girl? You're gonna give it to your friend? Don't eat the crayon. Don't eat the crayon.
No.
Your buddy is a girl?
Uh-huh.
She's your friend? You're gonna give it to her?
No. I'm giving just to you.
Oh, that's for me? You know how to spell my name?
I don't know.
You
I
don't,
guess it's down.
you know how to write it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, write it. I wanna see. Write it.
Wait. Yes.
What are you looking for?
This. A marker. Now.
Hurry.
Stop it.
Hurry up. What is that?
Stop it.
What is that?
My dad loves this music.
You
So
like it?
which one? Your name. This one or this one?
The one in the bottom.
Okay. This one's here.
What is that? What is that?
I'm singing music.
A singing music?
Yep.
That's a card.
Wow. My dad loves this song.
Go start writing.
To C
Mm-hmm.
R
R.
I
Okay.
S
S.
T
T.
Y.
Wow, good job. What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten, really? Wow. And how old are you?
5.
5?
I'm
Wow.
want to be the queen of the jungle. Ow!
You're gonna be the queen of the jungle? When?
Ow!
What happened?
I kicked my feet on this chair.
You kick your feet on that chair?
No.
Oh. Let me see the card. Whoa, that's pretty.
I will bring another paper.
Okay.